look at this. That is beautiful entrance. Here it's on Norra Promenaden 131 staircase A. And look at this. It was built in 1950 by ASEA. Only this culvert has been replaced.
Yeah.
Look at that. Really,
Yeah.
very, very amazing. It serves 3 rides.
Yeah.
Only this culvert is replaced, but inside the buttons are still original. And the alarm bells are original.
Yeah.
Wow. And this was replaced too. This number is 39640. Capacity is 3 persons at 255 grams. Let's try to get 3 rides here.
Yeah.
So in Norrköping, Sweden, ASEA. It doesn't go to the basement one. Oh, 2 rides.
Yeah, unfortunately, but still.
It's one of the best in Norrköping.
Yeah. But still just updated, but it was too big update still.
And 2 unnecessary.
Yeah.
Probably in the 1980s.
Mm.
Because it has memory.
Yeah. Inspected by Device and maintained by Alt. But also original here.
Oh, let me see. Oh my god. There's a down button even.
Yeah.
Wow. Very, very beautiful. I probably need to take a picture of floor 1 here.
Yeah.
This arrow is original.
Mm.
Wow. But still not 3 rides because it's too much upgraded. Was upgraded too much.
Yeah, but
still the rise.
Yeah, but I wouldn't say upgraded because it's
or updated.
yes, because it means that it makes something better, but it's worse still than original one.
Yeah.
That's